Welcome back to my channel. I'm Krista Shirley, and today I'm going to show you my special breakfast. It's actually super delicious, incredibly nutritious, and it's something that I like to do in the evening. I let it chill overnight in the fridge, and then I just eat it the next day. And it's one that my son loves. It's super nutritious for him, and I can hide all kinds of amazing vitamins and nutrients in it that he has no idea. So it's an amazing breakfast to make, and I hope that you enjoy it. All right, let's get started. So first and foremost, we're gonna add a half a cup of oats. And you can use really any kind of oats you want. I do like organic, I like gluten-free oats myself. This is gonna be one serving for today, but I honestly often will make 2 or 3 servings at a time because this will be breakfast for me and my son tomorrow morning, but tomorrow he gets this only. So I did a half a cup of oats. I'm gonna put that aside. So these are some of the items that he doesn't know exist in smoothies. One of them being colostrum, and if you watch some of my other videos, this I put in everything. I absolutely love it. It is not cheap, but it's well worth it. And for my son, I'll usually do 2 heaping teaspoons of colostrum powder. Then we have ashwagandha powder, which again, you guys know that I'm obsessed with as well. I use ashwagandha root tincture every day, and I use ashwagandha powder every single day of my life. It's really good for inflammation and some absorption in the body, among many other things. Moringa powder, another one that I'm obsessed with. It is another antioxidant. It's antifungal, it's anti-cancer, it's so many great things. Brahmi powder is another one. This one has a little bit of flavor to it, so I don't usually put quite a half a teaspoon in it, just to ensure that my child doesn't wonder what's going on. So we got those little powders in. Then, Caden loves chocolate. I'm not really a big chocolate person, so when I'm making this just for myself, I'll leave this out, but I do love, it's 100% cacao, sugar-free all the way, guys, and I'm gonna give him a teaspoon of the chocolate powder. Done there. Give him a little flavor of chocolate. Vanilla extract. I can open this bad boy. Vanilla extract just adds a little extra flavor to it, which he loves. And then cinnamon. I use a lot of ground cinnamon. I use cinnamon in everything, but I will say I'm very careful about where I get my cinnamon because cinnamon powder, oftentimes when you buy it in the US, is actually ground up sawdust. Please be careful what you buy. Today I'm going to use Young Living Cinnamon Bark Vitality Oil, and it tastes amazing. It is for internal consumption. And I just need a drop, just a drop. All right, next, we're gonna add some delicious honey. This, I do it to taste, but I usually just kind of drizzle in a little bit there since that's what he's gonna get for his sweet tooth. Peanut butter, Justin's Naturally Delicious peanut butter is just a classic peanut butter spread that my son adores. It is readily available in all of our supermarkets in Orlando, and I'm not mad at it. But I use all kinds of peanut butters, nut butters. I'm currently obsessed with cashew butter and sunflower butter. So you can intermix any kind of butters that you want. Now, we're gonna kind of pause with the fruits, and we're gonna go ahead and add, I like to add 1.5 cups to 2 cups of milk. Since it's one serving, I'm gonna do 1.5 cups today. Now remember, it's going to be really kind of liquidy, but when you put it in the refrigerator for hours to overnight, just like when you cook oatmeal, it expands. So it will expand. And then I first like to mix all of these ingredients together really well before I add my fruits to it. And I'm just showing you honestly what I have today in my house, in my kitchen, readily available. But I often love to add chia seeds to this. I like to add flax seeds to this. Like I said, I play around with the different butters. I even play with the milk. I'm obsessed with, well, so many milks. Hazelnut milk. Walnut milk is my personal favorite right now. So if I were making this for myself and not for my son, I would be using walnut milk. So play around with the different ingredients, but let this be a nice base for what you're gonna use in your own kitchen, in your recipes. And again, fruit-wise, I had blueberries and strawberries. So we're gonna add them, and actually I'm gonna probably cut up the strawberries a little bit smaller. I'm gonna add 2 handfuls of blueberries. And then we're gonna grab a knife. So because I spoil my child, as all parents should, especially when it comes to food, I like to cut them up real small for him, so that in the morning he just, it's a nice little breakfast. He's my only child, and he's my baby. So I just finished cutting up the strawberries. We have our strawberries and our blueberries in here. And as I was just saying, really use what's available in your kitchen. And you guys are in luck because I just dehydrated some bananas yesterday and they're already done. If you're interested in dehydrating, be sure to check out my previous video because we did exactly that for you guys on YouTube. But I want to go over here and show you my bananas. And they literally are done. So we can actually unplug this guy, take off the lid, and then we're gonna throw in about 6 or 7 dried bananas. Then I'm gonna come back over here, stir it up just a little bit more. This is your delicious, nutritious, wholesome breakfast. Put the lid on it, put it in the fridge, and forget about it until tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna literally let this sit overnight, and tomorrow morning I'll put it in a single serve container for my son. Many of you know that I wake up obscenely early in the morning, and I tend to have to get my child's breakfast and lunch ready the night before for the next day. So this is a real, honest, amazing go-to. He loves it, it's delicious, it's nutritious, I love it, and it's a no-brainer. I literally just wake up in the morning and I put it in a bag and I go and I have food that's delicious. So I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. I would love to know in the comments below what variations that you play with and the things available in your kitchen, how you like it, and how incredibly convenient it is. Please, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the little like button below if you like the video, share it with friends. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.